Hi guys, my name is Fida and let's take a quick glimpse of everything we got inside the box. So here we have our brand new jar. This can heat up to 160 degrees Celsius, making cooking time a lot less. So here we have our stainless steel blades. Guys, please be careful because it's really sharp. So here we have the blade plug. This will help you fix the blade to the jar. So let's see how that's done. Take your blade plug and just twist it. So now the blades are fixed. Let's put this back and see what the other accessories help you do. Okay, so here we have a blade cover. This helps you keep your ingredients safe. Let's say you're cooking a soft ingredient like paneer or tofu. So this just goes on top of the blade and your paneer will not be scrambled. Next we have a whisker. Whether you're making milkshakes or smoothie, the whisker will help you out without any trouble. A spatula to just scrape out all the sides of the jar. 2 sets of measuring spoon because there's no harm having an extra one. And your steamer basket which will help you steam your vegetables, momos or anything that you would like to steam. And now we have a brand new glass lid as well. So it's visible. Whatever you're cooking inside, you can just see through the lid. So we have some quick guides that will help you start off. So this is just going to help you understand everything about Upliance 2.O. And there's an owner's manual. With that, like I said, the blade is very sharp. So for a tiny oops, and there's something new in this. We have a cloth, which is a microfiber cloth. So anything you want to clean, we have got you covered. So let's turn on Upliance 2.O. So you have all the instructions right here. So you plug in the device, turn on the switch on the side and you're good to go. Okay, now let's connect Wi-Fi. Lovely. So now we just go back. So I'll get my phone now and scan the QR and we start off and we have logged in. So just in case if you need help with setting up your jar, you have all the videos right here for you. And this talks about how your mobile phone can control your appliance now. Great, we're good to go now. Our device is set up and ready to cook.